Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your open app subscription, open breathwork plus meditation. Okay, so how you can cancel your subscription? As you know, they have a very big plan, like monthly you have to pay $19 or more than $19. So how you can cancel? So basically you need to cancel your subscription by using your iPhone settings. And what you have to do, you need to open your iPhone setting and you need to tap on your profile icon, and then you need to select subscription. Then when you select subscription, you will see a list of active apps. You need to select open breathwork plus meditation app, and once you select your app, it will pop up a window this kind. You need to select cancel subscription and you need to follow the prompts, and by using this way you can cancel your open breathwork plus meditation subscription. Okay, now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.